Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be showing you how to create Linktree on Instagram. And if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so first of all you would want to log into your Instagram account, and you can do this by inputting your name and your phone number, username or email, and your password, and clicking on log in. And you would also need to log into your Linktree account, and you can do this by doing a Google search for Linktree or going to linktr.ee, and this will take you to Linktree. Now over here you will see a few details like links, appearance, analytics, and of course settings. Alright, so first of all, Linktree is a platform that lets you group all your links in one place and gives you a single link which you can use on all your social media platforms. Now that said, you would want to head over to add link over here, and you can add as many links as possible and clicking on the add button right here. You can add as many links as you want, and all you have to do at the end of the day is copy this link over here and head over to whichever platform you want to add that link to, and just simply paste it on your bio, and of course saving it. So whenever they visit that particular link on your bio, they will be directed to Linktree where they can view all your links. And so that's basically it. That is how to add Linktree to your Instagram. And if this video did give you some tips or insight on how best to go about the process, then you can of course leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. I will see you in another video.